Hello, citizens. Today, we're going to go over how to put your listings into different categories. All right, let's go onto the laptop now. Okay, now I'm on my laptop, and we're going to go and create some categories for your listings you made. We're going to come on Etsy.com, and I'm already logged into my account. We're going to go to Shop Manager. There, new dashboard comes up. Okay, now we're going to go ahead over to listings. Now on the right side here, it says section. I'm going to click manage. Now we're going to add a section. So add section, name it, let's say you sell jewelry, so you can make necklaces section or bracelet section, or let's say you make collections or the Starfire collection, whatever you want to name, how you want to organize your listing. So let's say necklace, right? Save. Now it's saved. Okay. So now I have 3 sections. You can have up to 20. Okay. Now, let's say you have a listing, you want to move into your brand new section. You click on the little setting tab, and at the bottom here, you click change section. Then you can click your new section to organize it in. Okay. Now let's say you want to delete a section. You click manage again. You can edit it and then click delete section. Now it's all gone. Okay, so you change it, want to reorganize it, whatever you want to do, and that's how you do it. Now, if you want to see how it looks, you have it organized by section. Why did I do that? I'll go into my profile real quick. Oh, edit my profile, silly. We'll go into your shop. And on the left side, it'll show you the different sections. All right, before I go, I want you guys to check out the link in the description where you can sign up for my email list, where I'll send you awesome freebies, cool videos I think you might like, and updates on future videos I'll be making. Also, don't forget that if you don't quit, you won't fail, and it's never too late to follow your dreams. Okay, bye-bye, citizens.